Rolls Royce of fuses really. Now we're looking at the high rupturing capacity BS88 fuses. Okay, these are generally the ones that would be in the mains incoming position of a large installation. They are highly robust, so physically you couldn't damage that fuse, very strong fuse. Also, it's very good at distinguishing between short-term inrush currents by turning on inductive loads and distinguishing that between actual fault currents and therefore causing operation. The fuse wire elements built in here are often made of silver, okay, and often of a construction or design not straight through, but of a either perforated or shaped fuse element. So not just a straight fuse wire going through, that clever design and construction, meaning that it is a very precise device. It's often filled with a quartz filler or silica sand in there, again, for when the actual fault occurs, the actual temperature is held around it, making it a more precise device. The heat isn't allowed to escape. The quartz filler or silica sand helps be a more precise device. Not really much disadvantage of using a BS88 fuse, perhaps the expense of them, they can be vastly expensive.